9:30 and we're headed to the shower house and laundry room. So yes, we do take showers in our travel trailer, but when you're boondocking, you don't, if you take a shower, you're gonna lose a lot of water. So we do sponge baths in between, and now we're gonna go take our shower so I can wash my hair. Huh, Scotty?
Yep. I'm gonna wash my hair too.
Okay, we'll see you guys at the shower house. You guys, I think everybody's here to do their laundry, etc., or take showers. This is how busy it is, so hopefully we get in and we can find a wash machine. But this is quartzsite for you in January, where everybody comes to the same place to do laundry. So we got a parking spot, so I think we should scope it out before we go load our laundry up. So here's the laundromat, you guys. I think this is the best one here, the cleanest. And they have machines open. Yay! So we got here in time. And then you can take a shower over there for $8. Yes, you can. I have 21 minutes remaining. It was a total of 27 minutes. So I only need this washing machine today. And then I have a little one over here that takes 10 quarters. So yeah, these little wash machines are really cheap. 10 quarters, and then these are $3.50 altogether. So it's best to come to quartzsite with either one load and no more than 2 loads, because everybody is in here in January. So try to keep your laundry to a minimum if you want to get it done in time. But this morning is not too busy, and look, all the dryers on the wall. So many of them. Even have a restaurant in here. Restaurant, enter here. And they have this folding table right here where you can look out the window. And then you got the traditional wash machines right there, you guys, for $2. If you need to do it a little cheaper or smaller load, not too bad.
There's Shaunna taking the stuff out of the washer. Nope. Yep.
I'm walking over to where I can take a shower. See, shower's $8. I got room number 11. See how many rooms there are? You got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And here is my room. Look at this. It is so clean in here, you guys. They sanitize it after each person, you know, and they don't want you to wear shoes in here because they wipe it down, and it smells so clean. Shower rules: no smoking, no dyeing or tinting hair, and no shoes in shower stall. All stalls have been sanitized between each shower. So you got a little, they give you a towel and a washcloth. You got a bench in here. Whoa, sorry guys, just dropped the phone down. And so I'm going to shower now. Hello. Oh. Okay, let's see. Look at this hair, you guys. Boondocking hair. It's a ratted mess of just nothing. Thing to get, you guys. The shower caddy. Got my brush, shampoo, and conditioner, and oh my god, you guys, this conditioner and shampoo smells so good. I get it at Costco, Nexus. Oh, smells so good. Best shampoo I've ever used. Okay, shower time. Oh, that's so warm. Okay guys, it's hot in here. Just had a nice 20-minute shower, and oh, I feel good. Look at how, this is what I have to deal with, you guys. All this curl. So I think today I'm gonna blow dry it straight. But anyways, the shower is clean, and some people might think this is gross. I've heard other YouTubers say it is. It's not. Do you not stay at a hotel? So when you go stay at a hotel and you take a shower there, it's the same thing. They sanitize it every time, but sometimes I don't think the housekeepers actually do sanitize the bathtubs as much as they sanitize in here. So this is not gross. It's one way to get really clean for a shower. We're back home, you guys. It only took us about 1 hour and 15 minutes to take a shower and do our laundry. And then I come back here and I actually hang up all my clothes that are really nice. That way when you hang them up and let them dry, you know, I've had this shirt for like 4 years, so, you know, the more you put them in the dryer, the more ruined they look. So that's where all our clothes dry, and we are done doing laundry today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and especially for newbies that don't know what to do when they get here.
We'll meet people that'll tell stories, the kind that you can find in magazines. And every little town and city that we pass through, we'll learn a little more about its history.